Alright, we got a 2005 Toyota Camry. I'm going to show you how to reset the oil light on it. It's really simple. Up here you've got your trip button. You're going to push and hold down on that button as you turn the key to the on position. 2 clicks. You're not going to start the car, just turn it to the on position. So hold this button down, turn your key 2 clicks, and then you will see it come up and start to count down, and it'll flash zeros, and then it'll be reset, and your light will go away. And turn the vehicle off, restart it, and your maintenance light is gone.